Hey everyone, welcome to Art by Kadim. And in this video for today, I'll be drawing Rengoku, the Fire Hashira of the Demon Slayer manga series, which is a very big hit today. So don't mind the blank page that you're seeing right here. It's just for me to be able to display and show you what I can do. So remember to like this video, comment, tell me what you think, share your views, tell me what you would like me to draw for you, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free of cost, so it won't cost you anything. With your subscription, it can help me to reach further. So guys, I would love your support. And also remember to share this video with your friends, your family, everyone. So let's just get straight into the video.